Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can access accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy A17. It's really simple, you just need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility. As you can see here, from here go to advanced settings and here you will see accessibility button. Tap on it and from here select the action you want. Let's say I want magnification, so tap on it and here you will see this little man will appear. Now let's check it is working or not. Yes, the magnification is working absolutely fine. Let's check it home screen. Yep, it is also working on home screen. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.